Stop scrolling. Imagine a money plant that pays you cash, not once, but twice a year. That's Trust Bank Limited, TBL, a banking giant from the Gambia. What if I told you there's a quiet bank in West Africa that doesn't just hold your money, it pays you a huge reward in cash twice a year? I'm talking about Trust Bank Limited, TBL, and as a beginner investor, this is exactly the kind of stock you need to understand. Welcome to Investment Nerds, your personal guide to investing in the African stock market. Follow and subscribe to this channel so we can keep making videos like this for you. 1. Who is Trust Bank and what do they do? Trust Bank is a major commercial bank in the Gambia. Think of your own local bank. TBL offers current accounts, savings, corporate banking, and gives out loans for things like mortgages and cars. They have been around since 1997, so they have a long history. They're a stable business making money from everyday banking services. 2. Breaking down the numbers. Is it a good deal? We need to check 3 things: the price, the value, and the profit. The stock price. One share is currently selling for GHS 1 by 100. In the past year, it has already grown by over 34%. Good growth. Market cap. The bank's total value, or market capitalization, is GHS 440 million. This means TBL is a solid, medium-sized company on the West African market. The PE ratio. This is key. TBL's PE ratio is only 3.49. Relatable term. Imagine the bank made GHS 1 of profit last year. You are only paying GHS 3.49 for a piece of that profit. This is generally considered very low, suggesting the stock might be undervalued. You're getting a cheap entry into a profitable business. The profit. TBL is making money. Their net income, the real profit after all expenses, is GHS 63.87 million. 3. The moneymaker, cash payouts and safety. This is why Trust Bank is so exciting for beginners. The dividends. Dividend yield. TBL offers a huge dividend yield of 11.38%. The dividend is like a cash reward you get just for being a shareholder. A yield of 11.38% is very high. If you invested GHS 1000, you would receive roughly GHS 113.80 back in cash annually. How often do you get paid? TBL pays out these cash rewards semi-annually, that's twice a year. The recent ex-dividend date was July 11, 2025, which tells us when you needed to buy the stock to qualify for the most recent payout. The safety check, beta. TBL has a beta of only 0.33. Beta is the stock's stability score. Anything below 1.0 means the stock is calmer than the overall market. TBL is a stable choice. It's less likely to give you a heart attack with wild price swings. So, Trust Bank Limited looks like a strong option if you want stability, a cheap stock price relative to its earnings, and most importantly, a high regular cash income from its dividends. Now, I want to hear from you. A dividend yield over 11% is massive. What would you do with the extra cash income if you started earning dividends twice a year? Drop TBL in the comments section below. If this video helped you, hit that like button and subscribe. Let's build wealth together.